In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a document to a task in ClickUp. If you want to keep important information connected to the work it belongs to, linking a ClickUp doc directly to a task is a simple and useful way to do it. This can help you keep project notes, instructions, or supporting details easy to find without having to search through your workspace later. To get started, open the ClickUp task where you want to add the document. Make sure you're inside the correct task before moving on, since the document will be linked directly to that specific item. Once the task is open, look to the upper right corner of the task window and click the three-dot menu. This opens additional task options that aren't shown in the main task view. From that menu, hover over Relationships. This section is where ClickUp lets you connect the task to other items, such as related tasks or documents. If you move too quickly and the menu closes, just reopen it and try again more slowly. Next, click Relate a task or doc. This will open a search window where you can choose what you want to connect to the task. Since we're adding a document, you'll want to switch to the Docs tab in that window. After selecting Docs, search for or browse to the ClickUp doc you want to add. If you already know the document name, using the search bar can save time. If not, you can look through the available documents until you find the right one. It's a good idea to double check the title before selecting it, especially if you have multiple docs with similar names. Once you've found the correct document, click on it to link it to the task. ClickUp will immediately add that doc as a related item, so there's usually no extra confirmation needed. After that, you can view the document in the Tasks Related section. This is where connected items appear, making it easy for you or anyone else working on the task to access the document later. Keeping related docs attached to tasks can improve organization and reduce confusion, especially when working on detailed projects or collaborating with a team. And that's all it takes to add a document to a task in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.